let's have a quick jam up session. Are you all ready for it?
Yeah, we can.
All right, rapid fire round with Amsobab Anton. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Which instrument did you play in high school?
Piano, I think so.
Okay. Describe your favorite venue of performing.
My favorite band.
Venue of performing.
Venues.
Yeah.
I think so. Goa University as Delhi University.
Okay. What's your least favorite beverage?
Beer, you can say.
What's the worst thing you've ever eaten in a restaurant?
Lately, I was performing for Congo in embassy. I have a caterpillar.
Okay.
Ate that.
And how did it taste?
It was tasting normal. They can't make it.
How is
It's African music.
Okay. When you play,
Yeah.
you look like dash. Complete the following.
Maybe I
You
have
look
to
like.
come. Yeah. Maybe you can say Michael Jackson.
What's the first thing you would do if you become invisible? What's the first thing you would do if you become invisible?
That's a tough one.
What would you do?
I'll go eat and something. Okay, maybe a lot of food wherever I get something just to
Say a word in Spanish.
Hola.
What does it mean?
Hello. Hi.
Why can't we tickle ourselves?
Tickle?
Yes. Why can't we tickle ourselves?
Tickle ourselves. No, we can't tickle ourselves. No, we always tickle others.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, of course.
Have you ever slapped someone in the face?
Someone maybe sometimes.
Okay. All right.
Because someone irritated me maybe for
Climb a mountain or jump from a plane.
climb a mountain.
Have you ever been to Africa?
No.
Do you have any friends taller than?
Yeah, of course. Lot of
Okay.
friends.
Tell me what you like to
quite
do
tall.
on weekends.
I party.
Okay. Well done, Anthony. All right. Moving on to Ronald. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. What's the most boring thing ever?
What's the most boring thing
Yeah.
ever? Not having music,
What do you like most about playing music?
connecting with my audience.
What would you do if you made a mistake during a performance?
It's okay.
What would you do if your audience looked
You
tired?
learn from it basically, you know.
Okay.
That's why I said if you make a mistake, you
Alright.
learn from it and go
Okay.
carry on.
What would you do if your audience looked tired or bored during your performance?
That's okay. I'm always filled with energy.
Do you prefer being called a nickname?
I don't mind it, yeah. I've got
So
a nickname.
what would it be?
Bobo. So people know me as Bobo actually.
Okay.
So
Who is the one person that knows you best?
I think my mom, my parents, my family.
Okay. How many words can you type per minute?
Per minute. I've never tried typing, but then I don't know, maybe around 10-15 words maybe.
Okay. What's your favorite social media app?
I'm not a very social media person, but now because of music, yeah, maybe Insta I think is the right
Okay.
app to be
What's
on.
the earliest memory you can remember?
Earliest? I think school. When I was in school, I took part for a Kuridin competition.
Why do you remember it?
Just because I was made to, I mean, like it's a boys' school, and my classmate was dressed as a girl, and I was as a
Okay.
guy. So I mean, it was as a kid, it's something you remember.
Okay. Flip-flops or sneakers?
I'm a sneaker kind of guy.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Benaulim.
Is your
Goa.
hometown famous for anything?
Yeah, Benaulim. I think Benaulim is famous for what now? I think Benaulim is famous for what? I think Benaulim is famous for something. I don't remember.
What's
but
your favorite animal?
dog? I'm a dog person.
What item have you carried from childhood to adulthood?
Item or as in a physical item?
A toy or anything that you have still now with you? Do you have something?
I do, but nothing is coming at the.
Do you have any childhood habit that is still carried
Habit?
on? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I mean, like singing is my childhood habit.
Okay. What holds you back?
I think people who are negative.
All right. Well done and well
Thank you.
answered. It
Thank
was
you.
very quick.